JVT E2202. It's that, you can see it. It's there. Okay. It's hiding itself. It's way, way far. There's a satellite looking down. Okay. There you go. It's on the sky, hovering above the sky. Okay. Not so far from the house. That's the house. Yeah. That's where I'm sitting in the back. Okay. So, there you go. Right. 29th of September 2021. Okay.